This is the input shaft speed sensor for the transmission, and the SMT system uses it, or it's under there. It uses it to make calculations to shift gears and rev match and all that stuff, so it's really important that it works. And occasionally it can get metal chips on the tip of it, so I'm going to take it out and hopefully not get a bath. I've done this before, where you can just put your thumb over the hole and keep the transmission oil from coming out while you wipe it off. It should have like a O-ring seal on the, there we go. Okay, it's not too bad. This one looks nice and clean. It's dripping everywhere. So if it was messed up, there'd be little metal shavings and stuff all stuck to the tip of that. So this one looks nice and clean. Pop it back in there, put the cover back on, and that's it. The other, let's see, those are, what the heck are those? 12 millimeter heads. While you're down here, you probably got to check the fluid level in the transmission. This is the fill port, not the speedometer cap on the back. So to check the transmission oil level, take that off, and oil's, yeah, dribbling out, so that's plenty. That's clear full. If it didn't dribble out, you can take the tip clear out and then stick your fingertip in there. It should be just, you know, as soon as you just barely reach inside, the tip of your finger should be covered with oil. It'll let you know that the case is full. If you got to stick your finger way in to get any oil out of it, then it's too low and you need to add some.